Under normal conditions, 8 apples will make 1½ pies. During a plentiful season, an apple tree produced 278 apples. How many pies could you make with those 278 apples? Round to the nearest tenth of a pie. Okay, so now we are kind of thinking in our proportion, right? So we're setting up a proportion. We're comparing apples to how many pies it can make. And we're given right off the bat that 8 apples makes 1.5 pies. Okay, well, what if I had 278 apples? Well, apples goes on the top. How many pies could I make? So you want to make sure, I'm a big fan of writing out words to keep your proportion consistent. So, sorry, but I'm not sure where I was. My mom sent me a text about icy roads. So we have our proportion, and these words help keep it consistent. So now that I have my proportion, I can use cross multiplying to solve. So I end up with 8x equals 417 when I do my cross multiplying. Again, the equation sign splits it up into 2 equal sides. And I want to divide both sides by 8 because an 8 touching an x is multiplication and the opposite of multiplication is division. When I divide by 8, 8 over 8 is 1, and 1x equals 52.125. I believe the directions for this one said round to the nearest tenth, and 0.1, right, is the nearest tenth, so 2 rounds down. So we would say 52.1 pies would be our final answer.